안녕 친구들! I'm having a super bad hair day today, and yes, I cut my hair because I just wanted to, and I wanted some changes in my life. So finally cut it. What do you guys think? I know some of you guys are gonna be like, Sunny, I like your long hair better. I don't know why you cut it, but I like my short hair, guys. And it's spring, so I kind of want something fresh. That's not the whole purpose of this video today. I have unboxing and also review on the Red Velvet Matte Lip CHIC, if I'm not mistaken, that's what it's called. Finally, Etude House did a collaboration with Red Velvet! Woo! Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited because I saw all the colors and they're really pretty. So I'm gonna do unboxing on 5 Red Velvet colors, the one that they picked. And I'm gonna do lip swatches and show you guys how it looks like, and then also do a review throughout the day. So I ordered 5 and I got this early bird sticker. So basically Etude House did online like special discounting. So a day before this line was released, they actually gave us like 50% off discount, and then they gave us also like bonus on the 5 Red Velvet like miniature lip tints. So I basically got like 10 lip tints for 38,800 won, if I'm not mistaken. So that's like almost 40 bucks for 10 lip tints. I immediately got it, and apparently after an hour it was all sold out. So I think I got lucky. Okay guys, I don't want to talk too much, so let's open this up together. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Really excited. Okay, let's open it up together. Ooh! I got Matte CHIC Lip Lacquer collaboration with Red Velvet. I got their mini makeup bag, which is really cool because I always wanted to have a little like smaller makeup bag to put it in my Prada bag. So that's cool. Ooh, and I also got, I think this is like sample, because I got an option what I want from the site. So they gave me really cute small skincare sample that I will probably be bringing when I'm traveling. And then finally all the matte CHIC lip lacquer. Wow! Oh my gosh! Ta-da! So you get 5 miniatures of the Red Velvet matte tint. Basically these and these are the same. You just get like the miniature of the 5, and then you get the full size of the 5 colors from the Red Velvet line. Let's swatch them all together. So the first color that I'm going to try out from the 5 Red Velvet main color is called RD302 슬기 Burgundy. I have an audience today, guys. Grace. Grace is watching me film. Okay. So I just put cushion foundation on my lips so that you can see the color better. The first color that I'm gonna try on is called 슬기 Burgundy. Oh my god, this one is really dark and is very like plummy, slightly vampy. Oh my gosh. I noticed that it sets really quickly. Try to blend it ASAP, guys. The color is really pretty. I like it. This is definitely more on the plummy, a little bit on the violet color side. Plummy wine. I think I'll call this plummy wine. This is really pretty. I like it. I feel like this type of color would suit like fall better. I don't think I'm gonna wear this for spring, but it's really pretty. I like it. And then the next one that we're gonna try out, it's the color that I'm actually really excited to try. It's in color RD303 Irene Red. I saw Irene wore this in the commercial and I was like, oh my god, I need to try it out. So it looks like that. This one looks like an apple. Yeah, this one looks like a straight up apple red color. I like this type of red more than like a wine red, because wine red sometimes in a way makes me look a little too mature. Like apple red makes your skin look a lot more like brighter, and in a way you kind of look younger as well. So I like this type of color on my daily basis. Ooh. Oh my god, guys. I love it. This is like seriously the perfect red. Oh my god, I love it. 너무 예뻐. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so pretty. 어떡해. This is so pretty. The color is beautiful. Oh, I'm actually gonna wear this later. I'm meeting up with a friend, so I think I'm gonna wear this. Oh, 이뻐! The next color that we're gonna try out is called 401 Wendy Brown. Apparently this one is really like a wearable pink, so let's try it out. This one somewhat reminds me of the Kylie lip kit in color Posy K. Don't you think so, guys? I own Posy K and it actually reminds me a lot of that color. 아, 이것도 진짜 예쁘다. 헐. 이거 진짜 예쁜데? 어머, 어떡해. Oh my god. Oh, this color is definitely really romantic. On second thought, guys, I don't think this one looks like Posy K. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god, I love Wendy Brown. This is definitely a daily lip color. It's beautiful. It's a little bit on a warmer pink color, but I love it. It's actually a little bit darker from what you guys see on camera, but I still love it. Ooh, I like it. How it dries and the texture, right? It reminds me a lot of the Kylie Jenner lip kit. But I know that the Kylie ones are a little bit thicker. So because they're thicker, I think they would last longer. So I'm not really sure about this one, so I'm gonna wear it out today. But so far, I love the colors. I love the color selection that they made for Red Velvet as well. I think every color has their own little like characteristic. So this one is very daily, very romantic, and if you guys are not a big fan of like the reds earlier or the burgundy color, I think you guys will definitely like this one for day-to-day basis. I would pick this one anytime because I would love to wear this on daily basis, and I think they're really pretty. So this is really cute. I like it. Alrighty, next color we're gonna try out. Ooh, let's try out Joy Grapefruit, and this one is the Joy color. Oh my god, I think I put too much. I can tell that this one is a little bit more orangey. Oh, I know that my lips aren't really even right now. Please be nice, guys. I like. This is more on the orange color. A little bit on reddish side, but still orange. I think they're really sexy. They're really pretty. If you guys want a little bit of pop of color but still wearable on day-to-day basis, I think if you guys don't really like Wendy Brown, you guys would like this. Really pretty. And apparently this color is really popular out of all. So I asked one of the staff that was in a ETUDE house store, and she told me that Joy color, the Joy Grapefruit, is one of the best-selling one. I understand why they're best-selling because it's really spring. Like when I look at this color, I can tell that this is definitely like the spring summer color. So I love it. So the last color from the main Red Velvet line, I'm gonna try out Yeri Pink. This one is in color PK003. Ooh, it's actually brighter than I thought. Huh. Yeah, this is more on like a corally pink color. This one also screams out spring. This is a lot more brighter. I think this is the brightest color out of all of the main 5 Red Velvet color. I like this one. It's a lot brighter than the one that we tried from the Joy one. I'm not really a big fan of this color, mainly because it's a little too bright for me. But for people who really like bright color, very fun, very useful, you guys will like this one. But personally, I like the Wendy Brown and the Irene Red better. Oh, this one is also pretty wearable. If you guys are the type of person you like only wearing base makeup, you want something that brings out your complexion, this is one of them. Yeah. Very playful and bright. The next color is not from the main Red Velvet color. So this one is in color Pink Wink in PK002. I picked this up yesterday from the Etude House store, mainly because I wanted some other swatches in this collection to try out. Oh, this one is really bright. I can tell that I'm not gonna like this one. Yeah, it's a little too light for my likings. It's very nudie. I'm not digging this one, guys. Yeah, this is a little bit too nudie for me. Oh no. We gotta be careful with this type of like nudie peachy color, because some nudie peachy color makes your skin looks really like dull. That's why I always try to avoid like certain orange. I don't know about this one, guys. I mean, it looks okay, but if it goes really nudie than this, I feel like it's gonna be really dull. Finally, last color that we're gonna try out is called Rose Pink. 어제보다 로제 in PK001. Ooh. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna like this color. Oh yeah, I like this. Oh yeah, this is super daily pink color. Ooh. This is like slightly more pinky than Wendy Brown. Oh, that's so pretty. It's so pretty. If you guys need a really cute color for date, I would recommend this one. This is beautiful. I feel like this is the type of color that guys like because it's kind of like your lips but better, slightly more rosier. It's kind of like the lips that you want to kiss. I like this one too. I would recommend Rose Pink. And from the Red Velvet line, I would definitely recommend Irene Red and also Wendy Pink. Those are my favorites. So if you guys are into more of a like darker color, I feel like you love burgundy, like 슬기 burgundy. But for me, I like those that are wearable. So those are my favorite. So now I'm gonna test this out. I'm gonna wear this one right here, which is Rose Pink, and update you guys throughout the day. It is 4:21 now, guys. I just ate lunch and I also just ate dessert. Right here. Oh, and it's still holding up. I like it. I'll update you guys more in a bit. Guys, I am updating you at 5:30 now. Still really good. I like it. Ooh. It does feel a little bit flaky, but it's not as bad as my other matte liquid lipsticks. But for a Korean brand, this is actually really impressive. So yeah, I love it. Right now is 10:47 p.m. and I still have a little bit of the lip lacquer on my lips, which is amazing. So yeah, I did touch up for a little bit, but I ate so much today. I ate pasta, I ate a lot of fried food, and the color still stayed a little bit on my lips, which is really impressive. So yeah, my verdict, I love it. I definitely highly recommend to all of you guys, but I do notice throughout the day it kind of peeled off a little bit. Like it gave me a little bit of a dry patches. Like I can feel it, like it's like flaking off for a little bit, but other than that it's fine because I experienced that with other lip lacquer from Korean brands before, but I feel like the Etude House one doesn't do it as much, so I like it. I highly recommend, and I just really love the pigmentation. The colors are beautiful. I love every single colors that I get, except the plum ones. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wear this almost every single day in my future videos from now on. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't. Make sure you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Annyeong!